All right, so what we got here is a 2016 Hyundai Genesis. And I'm doing the rear brakes. You see a little abrasion in it. It's grinding. Look, maybe the brakes. And what you're gonna need to do this job is real simple, real easy. We're just gonna need, of course, some brakes, a C-clamp, like the one with the little release button that help you get it back and forth quick. You know, the other one you gotta keep screwing, but you get this one with the little button on it, and you pull it right out. You know, and it's a lot faster. You may need this, you might not. I didn't need it. Of course, I have this. I use this to break the bolt. So ratchet, 14 millimeters. That's all you're gonna need. So what I basically did, undid the bottom bolt of the caliper, the bottom bolt right back here. Undid the bottom bolt here, and only unloose the top bolt right here a little bit. And the reason we do the bottom bolt and we ain't gotta do the top bolt, because on these cars, once you do the bottom bolt, undo that a little bit, the caliper swings up and stays up just like that. You're not worried about it going nowhere. You put the C-clamp on it right here, compress that down, and then put the pads on it, and then you finish. So undo the bottom bolt only and unloose the top bolt just a little bit. Then you swing it up. See how I did that? Just swing it right up. That way you can get the C-clamp on here. Watch this. Hit the button and pull it down. And now the C-clamp is ready to go in there. Hit the button. Push it in. Right there on the edge where I like it, but you can put it inside and screw it down, compress the caliper. Don't forget to take the cap under the hood off the brake fluid reservoir. You want to take that cap off of there, because when you pushing this caliper back in, you're going to push brake fluid back up through the lines. And so you want to take the cap off under the hood. And also when you take the cap off on the hood, I got towels around in case any overflow, the towel catch it and not wasting all over the engine compartment. All right, so that's it. That's how you do it. Same thing both sides. Real easy, real simple. Quick brake change. Holla.